Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can activate Google Assistant on this device. So at the first you have to go for the Google folder, then tap on the Google app. Next you have to tap on the more and click on the settings. And there's one important thing, that if you have here the other version of this app, you have to update that to the latest version from the Play Store. If you are already ready, you have to go for the Google Assistant, and then you have to scroll down and find the general settings. It's right here, and then simply tap on the switcher, then click turn on, and as you can see, here it is. So right now we can simply open our Google Assistant by using the home key.
How can I help you?
So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.